In our previous discussion, we explored how remarkable humans are at recognizing various objects despite the difficulty posed by different lighting, angles, and positions. Today, we will delve into a specific category of objects, the human face, and examine how we are able to recognize faces so effortlessly. Although face recognition is a complex task, we excel at it, and we will examine how we convert visual information into a recognizable form that enables us to identify individuals and perform other facial-related tasks. It's worth noting that recognizing faces is a challenging problem, given the diverse range of facial features and details that we can perceive. Nonetheless, our ability to recognize faces showcases our impressive cognitive abilities.
As we observe the city of Rome from an aerial perspective, we can clearly see the narrow and meandering streets that reveal the city's organic growth over time, as mentioned previously. It's worth noting that the city didn't originate from a preconceived plan but developed gradually since the 8th century BC. What's intriguing is that when the Romans had the opportunity to build a city from scratch, they didn't resort to an ad hoc approach. Instead, they meticulously structured it using a methodical military strategy. The Romans were known for their exceptional military enterprise, which enabled them to conquer various regions. During their military campaigns, they constructed camps that adhered to a geometric plan, usually a square or a rectangle, along a grid.
When we gaze at photographs of Earth taken at night, we see a magnificent sight of the planet illuminated like a vibrant Christmas display. However, the radiance from bustling city lights has resulted in the loss of the tranquil darkness of nature. This not only affects the visibility of the starry sky but also endangers the survival of animals that depend on the nighttime environment. For instance, numerous bird species rely on the stars to navigate at night, while baby sea turtles require the moonlight reflected off the ocean to find their way back to the water. The artificial city lights can disorient them and divert them from their course. Additionally, humans are not immune to the impact of light pollution. Excessive exposure to artificial light at night can elevate the risk of sleep disorders and has also been associated with obesity, depression, diabetes, and cancer.
The history of software is relatively nascent, with the entire IT industry being only 67 years old, which is remarkable given the significant advances made in this field during this period. The progression in this area has been less of a gradual evolution and more of a mad rush, thanks to Moore's law, which has led to a rapid expansion in computing power, a significant decline in the cost of computing and storage, and improved communication capabilities. This has enabled information technology to infiltrate areas of life that were never considered possible in the past. However, this rush has mostly focused on exploiting the low-hanging fruit, which has guided the development of software and information technology over the years, resulting in various consequences that we will explore.
In a survey of over 100 CEOs who had recently undergone an acquisition or merger, they were asked which areas of their activities required the most integration effort. The majority response, provided by 58% of those surveyed, was that information technology posed the greatest challenge and demanded the most work. This is not surprising given the complexity of many IT issues and the significant impact that any changes in IT can have. The crucial factor is how efficiently and expeditiously IT integration can be accomplished, as there may be serious consequences if it is not done correctly. The other two areas that require significant attention, sales, marketing, and business development on one hand and financial management on the other, were both chosen by 49% of the respondents.